Did you know that free mental health support is available to veterans and their families? Whether you're struggling with PTSD, depression, or anxiety, there are programs designed specifically for those who've served. The best part? They're free, confidential, and ready to help you take the first step toward healing. In this video, I'll walk you through the top programs offering mental health support, how to access these services, and some important tips to make the process as smooth as possible. Stay with me, because these resources could truly change your life or the life of someone you care about. As veterans, we face unique challenges, transitioning back to civilian life, coping with traumatic experiences, and managing the stress of service. Studies show that more than 30% of veterans experience mental health issues, yet many don't seek treatment. Why? Because of stigma, lack of information, or simply not knowing where to start. Here's the truth. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and there's no shame in asking for help. These resources exist to ensure you don't have to face these challenges alone. Let's talk about the top programs providing free mental health support for veterans. First, the VA Mental Health Services. The VA offers free or low-cost mental health care, including therapy, counseling, and medication management for eligible veterans. You can access these services through your local VA medical center or outpatient clinic. Second, the Veterans Crisis Line. This 24/7 hotline connects veterans in crisis with trained responders who are ready to listen and help. Just dial 988 and press 1 or text 838,255 to get immediate assistance. Finally, there are nonprofits like Give an Hour, which offers free therapy sessions, and the Wounded Warrior Project, which provides counseling and peer support. Even if you're not eligible for VA care, these organizations have your back. Remember, all these services are designed to make sure you get the support you need, completely free of charge. So, how do you access these services? It's easier than you might think. Step 1. Reach out to your local VA medical center or use their website to find mental health programs near you. You can also call the Veterans Crisis Line for immediate guidance. Step 2. If you're not eligible for VA care, explore nonprofits like Give an Hour or search for local community programs tailored to veterans. Many of these organizations don't require any VA affiliation. Step 3. Take the first step. I know it can be hard to reach out, but remember, these professionals are trained to support veterans. They understand what you're going through, and everything you share is completely confidential. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to visit www.vetmanai.com for a step-by-step guide on getting started. Let me share a quick story about Michael, a Marine Corps veteran. Michael struggled with severe anxiety and depression after his service, but he was hesitant to seek help. One day, a friend encouraged him to call the Veterans Crisis Line. That call connected him to a counselor who helped him access therapy at his local VA center. Today, Michael is in a much better place, thriving at work and rebuilding his relationships. He says taking that first step saved his life. Michael's story is a powerful reminder that support is out there. You just need to take the first step. Now, let's address some common concerns veterans have about seeking mental health support. Will I be judged? The answer is no. Mental health providers are trained to handle military-specific challenges with compassion and professionalism. Can I afford it? Absolutely. The programs we've discussed are completely free for veterans, including services at vet centers and crisis hotlines. What if I don't know where to start? That's okay. The easiest way to begin is by calling the Veterans Crisis Line or visiting www.vetmanai.com for resources and guidance. Remember, there's no wrong way to reach out. Free mental health support is available for veterans, whether through the VA, crisis hotlines, or nonprofit organizations. You don't have to face these challenges alone. If you or someone you know needs help, take the first step today. Visit www.vetmentorai.com for more information on programs, guides, and tips for accessing these resources. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on veteran benefits and support. Your service matters, and so does your well-being. Let's work together to ensure you get the help you deserve.